All right, everybody, I am at the QRP store with Ed, maker of the very cool QRPStation, which you've seen on my channel and others. Yeah, hold that thing up for everybody. Yep, so, I mean, I think people know what it is, but, you know, you've got the 705 here, you've got different parts, all kinds of stuff. So if you had to give people, like, what's the elevator speech and what your kind of design philosophy is, I think that would help people out a little bit.
Sure. We're trying to extend both the capabilities of TX500 and the 705, and this does that because not only does it add power, it also has a tuner section. So this has 50 to 60 watts of power depending on the band. It also has a tuner section, and the beauty thing is it's HF box. So you put signal in, it does the band selection, the transmission, the tuning, and everything. And it's super paranoid about everything. If there's any issues, it's going to shut it down. So to make sure that the user doesn't fry the unit and his pride or a lot of money, right? So that's a beautiful thing.
So it's a good thing for hams because it only takes one costly mistake sometimes when you have a really bad weekend, right? So this will prevent you from kind of blowing it up, which is good for me because I change radios like I change socks. And so I forget sometimes, like, you know, the things you have to do and remember. And so this is usually just pretty much point and adjust and click and go. And that's all I really have to do.
Just plug and go. Literally plug and go.
Well, just the, you know, because the power on sequence and that stuff. But that's, you know, that's it.
Yeah,
easy.
have the powered on.
Yeah.
Again, all our amps work for both the TX500, 705, and also KX3, and also for the new Yaesus coming out. We're building an adapter just for that. So
okay, I did just pick
one of those up. It just came out, so I need a little bit of time to design around it.
Sure. Battery packs too. You make battery packs, or
we have 3 battery packs. This is the German model.
Okay.
And it has all the bells and whistles, switches, LEDs, 3 power outs, and also solar in. Or battery in.
Yeah.
Mine is a little bit more different. I have a LiPo that is completely waterproof, but it's caveman simple.
Okay.
So that's my take on it, and it was specifically designed for the Lightsaber Max. I've also and I also have another version which is based on lithium iron phosphate.
Oh, okay.
But and that's completely waterproof, but that is made for solar panels. So there's a solar charge controller and also the battery maintenance. So
now it can run without solar.
Of course, no. It's a battery pack.
It's designed to be utilized in combination.
Yeah, if you want to, you know,
it's like
if you're going for a longer run, then literally you can go all day with panels on, no problem.
So the design philosophy, obviously, the first time we talked, Lab 599 TX500 was kind of like your first stop.
Right.
And you've now picked up the 705. Is there certain radios that you look at and go like, yeah, we want to work with this?
It's more demand for what people want.
Yeah.
People want this,
right.
The TX500. People love the 705.
Yeah.
So we do this.
Yeah.
The KX3 is, you know, it's a standby favorite. Everyone loves it, and we made one for that too. And now with the Yaesu, it seems like the Yaesu is taking off. Yeah. We're gonna make it.
Cool. Where do people find out more about your stuff?
So that's the QR code. Can you
All right, I can, and I'm zooming in on it right now, so there people will get it. Yeah.
And so just scan that. That's my website. Everything's there. The products, the contact information, and that's all you'll need. So.
Right on. Anything else you want to mention since we're here?
No, just
check out the website because you got a lot more stuff there too.
Yeah, I mean the only thing that's very popular is it's not super fancy, but this is my antenna reel. Yeah. It has 50 feet of coax. Nothing is more compact. You have one.
I have one.
Like it?
It's great. Yeah. It's 50 feet of coax. You're doing HF. It's great.
How do you argue? You know.
Yeah. It's that big.
Yeah. It's this way. It fits it all internally. Yeah. So that's the only other thing that So.
It's great.
Oh, also the last thing is we have the new product, the Link.
So, this one does a lot.
Yeah, it's too numerous to actually say everything that it does. Basically, it's the digital gateway for everything you want to do digitally. Right. And the beautiful thing is, my prime example of what I wanted to do was from an Android or an Apple device, I wanted the Bluetooth into something and do a WinLink session or texting. So literally, you could have your station set up somewhere. Set up with remotely in some little tent to keep it dry.
Yeah.
Have a coax and antenna. You're inside another tent or a car. You Bluetooth into that, and you have global email and texting. Now it can do a lot more than that, but that was what I was shooting for. And Oliver, the creator of this, mad scientist, insanely genius guy.
Yeah.
He added a lot more.
Yeah, so this, I mean, you got a lot of I/O on the back, as well as input output on the front for radio and PC. But so this will do low energy Bluetooth for a phone connection.
Right.
It's a TNC.
Yes.
And it's also a digital interface for cat control, physically connected.
Yes.
So you got like a ton of stuff on here.
Right.
And it'll take in a GPS.
Yes.
That's
GPS.
awesome.
For APRS. Oh, well, secret. We're having a new product that has GPS pass-through, but that's
okay. Don't tell anybody, okay, guys that are watching. Yeah, don't say anything. No, nobody will tell you on YouTube. No one will spill the beans on that one. Yeah, it's super cool. I love. It's a very cool idea.
It's made for all radios, so
yeah.
we have reverse compatibility. Obviously TX500, 705, the whole Yaesu series, Icon, everything. Old Icon, not the new Icon, right? But we have cables for everything, or we have diagrams for everything. We don't, so.
I mean, hypothetically, with that device and something and like a 705 or now the new FTX, you could be doing APRS. You could switch over to WinLink, and then you could switch over to FT8, JS8 call, any of those three things, and there you go. That's the box that does it. And that's all you need. It's usually one or the other.
You need the computer, right? Some modes you need, like VARA, you need a computer, right? So
right. Of course.
Dismissing that.
But that's the plumbing. That's what's connecting the things together. Yeah.
So
super cool.
This is taking off. We're really doing well. We're about to sell out.
Oh wow, excellent.
I mean, it's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
But the only problem is I was just so busy. I couldn't make enough.
Right.
For him to mention. But there are worse problems, right?
Yeah. Well, thanks for taking the time, man. I appreciate it. It's good to see you here again in person. Appreciate you. And go check out the website, everybody watching. And thanks again.